Title of the project: Good and Bad Features of Double Door Refrigerator. Roll number 3536. Enrollment number 17012902446. Content of presentation: Introduction, Aim of project, Brief description of project, Good features of refrigerator, Bad features of refrigerator, Photos, Application, Output of microproject, References. Introduction. A refrigerator is a machine for keeping things cold. It is sometimes called a fridge or an ice box. People put food and drinks in it to keep those items cold or good for a longer time. A refrigerator has a heat pump. It takes heat away from the air inside the fridge. A freezer is a special type of refrigerator that stores food at freezing temperatures. Inside a freezer, it is normally minus 18 degrees Celsius. Freezers can be found in household refrigerator as well as in industry and commerce. When stored in a freezer, frozen food can be stored safely for a longer time than storing at room temperatures. Freezer units are used in household and in industry and commerce. Commercial refrigerator and freezers units were in use for almost 40 years prior to the common home models. Aim of the project. The aim of project is to analyze good and bad feature of double door refrigerator, also the uses of double door refrigerator and how it is better than a single door refrigerator. To determine the application of double door refrigerator. Brief description of project. In that, working of refrigerator. So it is a flow diagram for working of refrigerator. In that, compressor, condenser, expansion valve, evaporator. The vapor compression refrigeration cycle involves four components: compressor, condenser, expansion valve and evaporator. The refrigerant enters the compressor at low temperature and low pressure. It is in a gaseous state. Here the compression takes place to raise the temperature and refrigerant pressure. The refrigerant leaves the compressor and enters to the condenser. The condenser is essentially a heat exchanger. Heat is transferred from the refrigerant to the flow of water. This water goes to a cooling tower for cooling in the case of water-cooled condensation. When the refrigerant enters the throttling valve, it expands and releases pressure. Consequently, the temperature drops at this stage. At this stage of the vapor compression refrigeration cycle, the refrigerant is at a lower temperature than its surroundings. Therefore, it evaporates and absorbs latent heat of vaporization and we get the required cooling effect. So, how double door refrigerator better than single door refrigerator? There are a lot of advantages associated with it. For instance, there are many who prefer to buy them for the appealing looks and attractive colors that they offer but are not available in the single door refrigerator, which are typically lesser priced. So front value of this refrigerator in front of guests is also one of the reasons for paying them. Secondly, due to more cooling effect, there are lesser chances of food to get spoiled. Apart from this, there is an enormously large storage space inside it for the storage of large amount of food. Consumers who have larger families or who just love to throw parties must purchase fridge with double doors. The most beneficial feature of double door is frost-free refrigerator features, as it saves a lot of time and energy of the consumer, and unlike in the single door refrigerator, they do not have to clean the mess of water from the fridge. Good features of double door refrigerator. So first is 4-5 members families all daily needs can fit into the large double door refrigerator easily. Bigger shelves as well, so you can keep the bigger vessels or beverage bottles. Second, you end up to fit so many things very easily. Third, there are two doors, one door as the main door and other one is freezer, so that you can open freezer without opening the main door. Fourth, large refrigerator capacity at maximum 235 to 495 liters space. You can place as many things as you like. Fifth, comes with only frost-free technology. No need of to clean the ice manually. It has auto clean functionality. 6. Best suitable for large capacity because of large capacity. 7. The freezer compartment is usually large compared to single door and can fit so much of stuff. Then next is bad feature of double door refrigerator. So first is double door refrigerator are meant for large family size. For a small family of 2-3 members, buying a double door refrigerator is not the perfect fit. You are paying unnecessarily high price for double door refrigerator and it is not energy efficient also. Second, double door refrigerator are costly and their price start from 20,000 rupees. Third, double door refrigerator comes in large capacity of size 235 liters to 500 liters. If you are looking for smaller capacity, then these refrigerators are not best choice for you. Fourth, high power is consumed in double door refrigerators because of their large size. Expect it will be 20 to 30% more than single door refrigerator. Fifth, larger food space is required for double door refrigerators. Make sure you have sufficient space in your home or kitchen to place double door refrigerators. Sixth, all the double door refrigerator operates in the frost-free mode. Frost-free operation requires automatic fans to circulate the cool air, causing 30 to 50% more electricity consumption compared to direct cool technology. Pictures of double door refrigerator. This is some of the pictures of double door refrigerator which contain freezer and fridge unit. Application. Double door refrigerator are used in home for preservation of food and products, in hotels, in cold storage plant, in milk dairy. Output of project. By this project, understood the good and bad feature of double door refrigerator, use of refrigerator in day-to-day life, also understood how double door refrigerator is better than the single door refrigerator. References www.google.com. Thank you.